How you all doing? Welcome back to JDPHOTOFILMS. Right now I'm sitting on the 32nd floor of Canon Tower in Dubai Marina. Yeah, Dubai is really beautiful. As you guys know by now that I have traveled to Dubai for more than 13 days and I'm uploading this video during Diwali period because I didn't have time to edit this video. I did a lot of photography here. You guys can check it out on my Instagram channel. It's JDPHOTOFILMS. And yeah, if you're watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down there. Okay, first of all, I'll take you to a tour of this apartment where I'm staying for the next few days. And I'll show you how it feels to be in Dubai. Let's go. Yeah, this is the really good sofa that we've got here. We've got some TV. We've got a kitchen area behind there. And we've got a balcony here. Let me show you the view outside the balcony. So as soon as you go outside, this is what you see. This is Dubai Marina. Okay, let's go inside now back. A little mirror. Okay, now let's go inside. It's a little walkway. This is hometown, Dubai, hometown. This is going to be my bed for the next few days. And I was talking to you sitting here. This is the most favorite part for me because I'll be doing some photography, I'll be editing some photos, I'll be editing some videos. This is the photo I've already uploaded on Instagram. And we've got a master bedroom here, which is not going to be my bed, it's going to be someone else's bed. They are coming, okay? And again, we can see the whole Dubai Marina from here. One more mirror, yeah. Okay, so that was the tour of apartment I'm staying in Dubai for the next few days. For now, I'll share the experience of me in Dubai for the first time. Let's go!
Price on y'all, snake eyes on dice for y'all, shoulders on ice for y'all. A6 all the hate, I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they doubt it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin'. On record, off record deals. Tell them talk to Colin for the quote. On record, off record. I still want the act, not the ghost. For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record. Tryna go, then it's done for you.